Hello boys and girls, Mrs. Briggs here, and I'm just bringing you a quick video in case anybody has had any difficulties accessing the Rising Stars website. So the Rising Stars website is the online library that has your books on it that have been assigned to you from your teachers. Okay, so this is some information here from Mrs. McClare. I'll just read this and then I'll show you how to get on there. The Rising Stars Reading Planet online library is now set up and children have login details, and they can access the website by following this link or searching for My Rising Stars UK. Their username is their first name and surname with capital letters and a space between the words. So for example, Tom space Jones, capital T, capital J. The password for everyone is Redscope56 with no spaces, no capital letters, and the centre ID is 127723. So I'm going to take you onto the website now and show you just a few little bits to help you. So once you've logged in, you'll see that you've either got the Key Stage 2 package or a Reception and Key Stage 1 package. So we're going to click on that one. And here we are. This is my page, my summary. And here is where you will see your achievements. I've not taken any quizzes yet, so I'll get onto that soon and sort that. And this here, my books, is where your library is, that is specifically tailored to you and where you are at in your reading. So here you can see I've been assigned some books by Miss Kingston. And you just click on open to read one of these books. And then when you have finished reading it, boys and girls, please make sure you click finished. What will happen when you've got the book open and you've read it right to the end is that there is a thought bubble on the right hand side. And if you click on that, that takes you to a quiz. So you can do a fun quiz afterwards. On the left hand side, there is a rocket. Okay. When you go onto your books, click finished. So then that means we can see on your report which books you have read. So this is the books I've read section. And here, look, we've got, I've read The Knitting Giant and I've read The Space Station. So I hope that does help people in how to access and use this and making sure that you're clicking on finished. If anybody does have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in contact with teachers or to comment, and we'll see what we can do to help you. Happy reading. There's some fantastic literature on here and some great games too. See you next time, boys and girls.